Hello friends, this is Ritik. In this video, I am going to explain about fingerprint recognition. At the beginning of the video only, I am mentioning that this project is not based on the live fingerprint identification where we need to take an input image and we need to compare with all the images, fingerprint images which are already stored in the dataset, and then we will get the similarities between them. The abstract of our project is the fingerprint recognition is the process of comparing quotient and noun fingerprint against another fingerprint to determine if the impressions are from the same fingerprint. The system maintains a database containing images of all fingerprints. It aims to compare the fingerprint which is given with the database and displays the details of that corresponding person. And if the person fingerprint is not registered in the database, the system displays not found. And the introduction is the fingerprint recognition is one of the most popular and successful methods used for a person identification, which is used the fact that the fingerprint has some unique characters like minute ridges and the curved track finishes and intersects with other track. A fingerprint is the future pattern of one finger. It is an imprint formed by the friction ridges of the skin and thumbs. The uniqueness of a fingerprint can be determined by the pattern of ridges and minutes. Therefore, the fingerprint recognition using minute extraction is the most efficient way of biometric identification rather than using pattern extraction, because the pattern extraction only compares just like a picture it will compare. The digital image processing is a process of manipulating image in a digital computing. This processing can be achieved by development of computer-based algorithm in order to process the images. This is our system model where we need to take an input image, the fingerprint image, and we need to apply techniques like image enhancement, image segmentation, binarization, and image thinning to get a pre-processed image from the input image. And after that, we need to apply techniques like minute extraction and filtering techniques to get a minute minutes from where we can compare the other fingerprint images in which are stored already in the data set. And at the end we will get the score like how much similarities between the input image and the all the all the images which are already stored in the data set. And the models which we used for in this project are image segmentation, where the image segmentation locate boundaries, curves, and lines, edges of a specific fingerprint, and the image normalization will show the variations in the grayscale values. The image enhancement is done to the image acquired for the matching. It must be done for the good quality without noise. To remove that noise, we use linear filtering and the binarization method, where the binarization method is used to convert a grayscale image to white and black images with zeros and ones. And the image thinning is a morphological operation that is used to remove selected foreground pixels, some of the main minutes from the binary image, and the minute extraction is used among all the fingerprint features. Minute point features with corresponding orientation maps are unique enough to discriminate amongst fingerprint. And the tools which we are using for in this project are Matlab database toolkit and the image processing toolkit. And the advantages of this project is it is highly accurate and it is unique and can never be same for two persons. It is the most economical technique. It is easy to use and use of small storage space. And this is some sample code where we need to extract features from the given fingerprint, and after getting that the features of an arbitrary fingerprint from the template, we need to match it with the first one. And by building fingerprint template database, we can extract features from an arbitrary fingerprint. And for each fingerprint template, we need to calculate the matching score in comparison with the first one, which we have taken. and after that we can show the matched fingerprints. Let us go for implementation part. This is the code which we need to run. Where these are the outputs with all the tactics which was applied for one image. This is an image with a grayscales, and after applying can method we will get an image like this. And by after to get a white bond the image with white boundaries, and after segmentation the images will be like this, and the image after normalization process. And after removing of noise, if we compare, there are some dots like this. And after removing this noise, we will get an image like this. And after binarization technique, and we extracted the skeleton of the fingerprint by applying image thinning techniques. And we will extract the correct minutes of the fingerprint with the blue boundary with black background, and the image after removing noise with a red background. Up to now we took an image and we applied all the techniques for that image, and now we need to run this code to get the final output like this, the minute extraction, only the input image and the final output. Here it is, where the green point, I think you can see this, where this green point is the core point and the red lines are the edges, and the pink color, these are pink colors are bifurcation points. This is then we took this as an input image 101/2, which is already stored in the database. Now by running this code, these are the minute extraction which we got from the input image, that is 101/2. And by running this code we will get the comparison from of this minute extracted image with all the images which are already stored in the database set. Here you can see that in the command window, where it is computing and similarity between the input image 101/2 with all the images, with all the images. If the image similarity is more than 0.48, we consider it as the matched image, where it will be printed here. We took 72 images, and that will be matched. That will at the end it will show the similarity image numbers. These are the 1, 2, 7, 8, and 40. These are the images which are matched with our input image. So thank you friends for seeing this.